I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Bit Assist. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now, go to Bit Assist Pro Dashboard. Click on Add Widget. Give here the widget name. Create. Click on three dots and edit it. Add channel. Choose Custom Form as a channel. Give here a meaningful channel title. Add fields. Scroll down and paste here the webhook URL. Save the channel. Now go WordPress page, click on the Bit Assist logo and click on Bit Integrations. Now fill in the form to fetch data. Submit it. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard and here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select BuddyBoss. Connect. Next. Choose an action. I am choosing to add the user to a group. Choose a group. Member will be added to the groups when you log in as your user and fill in the form. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Go to the WordPress page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Go to your BuddyBoss dashboard and navigate to Groups. View. Under the group, you can see that the member has been added successfully to the group. Thanks for watching.